Hi everybody! Good morning po, si Ayi po ulit ito. And you are watching IEM sa Canada. And ngayon po ay nandito kami ngayon sa Chambly and nagpe-fishing kami since it's a very nice day. So, let me show you. So, eto siya. Yung fishing area namin is from there to there. Let me show you guys. So, ayan siya. And then, naku, parang uulan yata. Kung kailan naman nag-start na ako mag-record. Anyways, good morning, good morning, good morning. Magandang umaga po, tanghali, gabi. Sa inyo mga kababayan, nasaan man po kayong parte ng mundo, magandang araw ng Sabado. So, weekend ngayon and weekend off namin. So, nag-decide kami na mag-fishing. So right now, nandito kami sa fishing area sa Chambly, Quebec. And pag ganito kasing weekend, we always try to spend it outside. We try to do fishing, camping, or hiking. Basta as much as possible, we try to do it outside. We spend it more outside. Sometimes we do shopping pero very seldom kasi may mga bagay naman, may mga araw na talagang hindi naman namin kailangan unless we have to go shopping, then we spend more time sa pag-grocery. Pero as much as possible, pagdating sa mga grocery type or pag-buy ng food, ini-spend talaga namin yan within the weekdays. Para pagdating ng weekends, mas spend namin siya sa labas. We always go for a long drive para makarelax naman. At syempre, pagod din the whole week para ma-distress. Para ma-distress tayong lahat. So, try nyo rin. Try nyo rin na every now and then try to spend it na outside, Kasi kung uubusin lang natin yung time natin ng off natin na maglalaba, maglilinis ng bahay, mamamalengke, then it's gonna be like a routine kasi it's gonna be parang weekends na na errands, 'di ba? So, kung sa amin, we try to do our regular errands during the weekdays para yung weekends, mas-spend na namin with friends. Um, so, right now, andito kami ngayon nag-fishing. So, naka-apat na fish na kami, dalawang malaki, dalawang maliit. And we started fishing around, I think it was around 8 o'clock, and now it's already 10:30. So, in a half hour, probably magpapack up na kami so we can do something else. Maybe we'll go to flea market just to see what they have there, yung mga antique stores or mga antique na mga nasa flea market. So, kumusta naman po kayo? Ay nga pala, oh my God. Thank you po. I have additional 2 more subscribers from my 20 before. So, thank you sa inyo, sa aking 22 subscribers. I really appreciate you guys. And I hope na dumami pa tayo. Tatry ko sana mag-live ngayon kasi maganda sanang mag-live dito ngayon since I'm in the very nice location. Parang nakaka-inspire mag-live. Kaya lang hindi pala yun automatic na pag pinit mo na live, magla-live ka. Parang there's like a 24 hours wait. So maybe sa next time, sa next weekend, maybe we're gonna spend it live naman para we can have some conversations. If you have any questions na pwede ko sagutin, may mga inquiries kayo that I know about, pwede ko kayong matulungan. So, next time, I hope na pag nag-live ako, you can join me guys, okay? So for now, andito kami. So mamaya, since may pasok si H mamaya, so baka I'll see what I'm gonna do sa house. Maybe mag-car wash or something. My usual pastime. So, how about you guys? Paano nyo ini-spend ang weekend nyo? Share nyo naman para naman magkaroon tayo ng conversation, you know? Just leave a comment down below para naman na meron tayong open conversation ika nga. Ano pa bang update ko sa inyo for my last week? But I was working the whole time. And okay naman, regular, my usual. The usual thing na we do. And I'll see kung maipopost. I already recorded something. So I hope na may time ako later to upload it on YouTube. And I hope na ma-appreciate nyo yung next na i-discuss ko sa inyo or ikukwento ko sa inyo or something like that. So, if you have a chance, please take your time to join me sa aking YouTube channel. Please like, share, and subscribe kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe. So, thank you very much and I really, really appreciate you all, guys. And have a nice weekend also, okay? Till the next week! Sana madagdagan pa tayo. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye!